Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic Colors on Android. This guide will help you understand the necessary steps to enjoy this classic game on your mobile device. We will cover everything from selecting the right software to optimizing your gameplay experience. You will learn about emulators, game files, and essential configuration tips. Get ready to bring the vibrant world of Sonic Colors to your fingertips, offering hours of fun on the go. To begin, selecting the correct emulator is crucial for a smooth experience. Dolphin Emulator stands out as a top-tier option, known for its robust performance and wide game compatibility. It effectively mimics the Nintendo Wii console, allowing you to run Sonic Colors. Make sure your Android device boasts a powerful processor and at least 4 GB of RAM to handle the emulation smoothly. This ensures a stable and enjoyable gaming session. Next, you will need the game file itself, commonly referred to as a ROM. These are digital versions of the original Sonic Colors game disc. It is important to understand the legal aspects. You should own the physical game to legally possess its digital counterpart. After acquiring your ROM, the process is straightforward. Simply open your emulator and load the game file directly from your device's storage. This step brings you closer to playing. Finally, optimizing your emulator settings will significantly enhance your gameplay. Dive into the configuration menus to adjust resolution, frame rate, and other graphical options to suit your device's capabilities. While virtual on-screen controls are available, connecting a Bluetooth gamepad offers a far more authentic and comfortable experience. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance between performance and visual quality, ensuring you fully enjoy Sonic Colors on your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.